During high-volume training, an elite marathoner actually destroys more muscle tissue daily than a bodybuilder doing a bicep curl. Running isn't just cardio, it is a catabolic nightmare. Every foot strike creates micro-tears and impact trauma. While lifters eat protein to build new mass, you need it just to stop your engine from eating its own pistons. Here's the trap. The government RDA of 0.8 grams is just enough to prevent deficiency, not to optimize performance. If you follow standard health guidelines, you are actively underfueling your recovery by nearly 50%. You aren't recovering, you're just surviving. Let's fix this now. Sports science dictates a specific range, 1.6 to 2.0 grams per kilogram of body weight. For a 70 kilograms runner, that's not a single chicken breast at dinner. It's roughly 130 grams daily. If you are training for a marathon, aim for the top end of that range. But hitting that total number is useless if you graze on it all day. To actually switch on muscle repair, a process called muscle protein synthesis, you need to hit the leucine threshold. You need 2.5 grams of leucine per meal to flip the switch. Without that spike, the repair crew never shows up. This leads to our timing protocol. Forget the 30-minute anabolic window. That's marketing hype. Instead, divide your total daily goal into 4 distinct meals spaced 3 to 4 hours apart. If you are plant-based, fiber reduces absorption, so add 10 to 20% to your total daily target to compensate. Finally, stop overpaying for supplements. You don't need $60 isolated whey. Canned tuna, eggs, lentils, and Greek yogurt offer the highest protein per dollar ratio. Prioritize these cheap, leucine-rich whole foods. Hit your 1.8 G target and watch your leg fatigue vanish. Stop fueling like a bird, fuel like a machine.